Okay.
CTE. Let me write it in capital. CTE. What's it is
Mm.
stand for? It stands for common table.
Common
Yeah,
table
expression.
expression. Yeah.
Yeah, common table expression. So what it is actually, it is a temporary table. Okay, it is
Mhm.
a temporary table and it will exist until you run the query.
Okay.
What I mean by that, for example, I'm just giving an example. I will be talking about where you have to use in the syntax. But for an example, I'm just
Mm.
giving it to you. Let's consider
Mm.
this is our worker table, okay? I have saved it in my CTE. How I will make my CTE? I'll make my CTE with my with clause. I'll write with and then I can name my CTE. You can name your CTE as
Mm.
anything. Let me name my CTE as your name. So it is SHAD. What's your spelling? SHADRIC,
R
right?
R-I-C-K. R-I-C-K. Yeah.
Yeah. So first you will write with, then you can write down your
Mm.
CTE and then your S.
Mm.
So this is your CTE. Okay. So you have
Mm.
considered you
Mm.
have created a temporary table with this query. So
Mm.
this is your temporary table schedule.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to run everything from
Mm.
your table, what you will write? Select star from your table name. Correct?
Yeah.
SHADRICK. Okay. One more thing.
Mm.
Whenever you are creating a CTE, I have told you it will exist until you run the whole query. This part will not run.
Mm.
You always have to run the whole query.
Yeah.
Only
Yeah.
the existence will be until you run the whole query. Is this clear with you? Are these two parts clear?
Yeah.
It's a temporary table and it will exist until you run the query. So always you have to run the whole query because the existence will be until that
Okay.
only. Clear?
Yeah.
Great. Let's talk more. Now where can I use it in my real time, right? Where will be the use out of it? I'm not going to write down select star from my worker table, correct?
Mm.
Not going to
Yeah.
use that in my real time. How will I be able to use that? So for this particular thing, let's do some question. So I want to have information about those workers whose salary is greater than average salary. So this is my question.
Mm.
How will I do that? So I can say that I want everything from my worker table. What is my condition where salary
Stable.
should be
The salary
greater?
is.
Let me write greater. Salary should be greater than average salary. Is this correct?
Mm.
What do you think? Is
Yeah.
this correct? The answer is no. Why no? You can't use
It's
aggregate
not
function.
correct because the average salary is supposed to be the having, right?
Yes, yes, correct. In where you can't use aggregate code. You can't use
Yeah.
aggregate columns. So if you are saying
Mm-hmm.
it in having, if I write having here, but in having, can I use non-aggregate columns?
No.
In having, I can't use non-aggregate columns, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we can't write down in any way. We can't use it in any way. So what we will do is, we will create a table out of this average salary. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What
Mm-hmm.
will I say? I'll create a CTE out of my average salary. Select average salary
Mm-hmm.
from which table? From my worker table.
A
And
worker
I
table.
will, yeah, I will make a table out of it and I am naming my CT as CT only. It's up to you, whatever you want to name it. I'm naming it as CT only. Okay. So in my table, I
Mm-hmm.
am just having my average salary. So is it ever possible
Mm-hmm.
to have a column without a column name? Here you can see that no
No.
column name is written. No. So we
Yeah.
always have to give
Okay.
alias whenever you are using a function. So let me write down the alias
Okay.
as average. Clear till now?
Mm-hmm.
We got a
Mm-hmm.
table CTE where we are getting average. So can I say that I want to
Mm-hmm.
have those salaries which is greater than average now? I can
No.
say that. I can say that, right? Salary
Yeah,
is from,
because you have it in a city. Yeah.
yeah. Salary is from my worker table. Average is in which table? Average is in my CTE table.
A
Correct?
city table. Yeah.
So I'll join it with my CTE table and I will say that my salary should be greater than average salary. Is this clear with you
Mm,
now? So here you can see
yeah.
that your average and all your salaries are greater than average. Do you have any
Mm,
issue?
yeah. Let me look at it. Say where CTE
Mm-mm.
or the select average salary and average from workers. Then you say select all from workers table join CTE on salary average. Okay.
You can have a look. We are just taking our average from our CTE table and
Mm,
we are taking salary from our worker table. That's why we have combined them together, right?
okay. Yeah.
Great. Okay. So I'm giving you one question. You just have to try it. If you face any issue, I'm here to help
Mm,
it for you. Right now, we are taking salary greater than average salary, right?
mm,
But I want to do it department wise. What I mean by that, first you will find out
mm,
average salary department wise.
mm.
You know how to find out average salary department wise by using group by, correct?
Yeah. Group by department.
And then you have to compare it. Salary greater than average salary department wise. That's all you have to
Mm,
do. Are you able
okay.
to get my question? Let
Yeah,
me,
so the question, let me
let's say
see.
that we have these four people. AB belong to
Mm,
HR department.
mm,
CD belongs to an IT department. Okay. So
mm,
first we will find out the average out of it. So I'm writing down some salaries here.
mm,
Two and let's say six. First I will find out the average. So what will be their average? 1 plus 3 divided by 2, which will be 2, right? The average will be
mm,
2
mm,
for each department. Here it will be 4,
mm,
right? And then I will say
mm,
that my salary should be greater than average. So B's salary
mm.
is greater than average. Similarly, D salary is greater than average. So first we will
Okay.
find out different average salary department wise and then we will compare it according to the department only. For HR
Okay.
department salary will be compared with HR people only, na? Similarly, IT
Mm,
average will be compared with IT people only. Get it?
yeah.
Yeah, great. Try it out.
Okay.
Where would I access the recordings?
Who is this?
Bhaskar.
Bhaskar, can you please ping me directly? This is my one-on-one class right now.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
Prakira, can I see how you start the
Sure. Here it.
okay.
Do you want me to
Okay.
make it a little bit smaller? Is it fine now?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay,
We
thank
will see where
Okay. Okay. Yes, it's almost correct. But what your mistake is, let me copy
Mm.
this. Mm. So you have written department. Okay. Average. So whenever we are using a aggregate and a non-aggregate column together, then we have to mention group by, right?
Yeah.
Remember? So
Yeah.
group by what? Group by my non-aggregate column, which is department.
Yeah. Department.
Yes. So you got department-wise average salary here. If I'll show, if I'll run this much, you got department, column department is invalid. So what is my column name then? It's department only, DEPAR. Department. Yeah. So here you can see that we got department-wise average, right? Then you have
Mm.
said that I want to have those worker join. Yes, correct. From everything is correct till here. Whose salary is greater than average, but their department should be same too, na? So this is your average. You are considering average of HR with HR only, na? Similarly, average of
Mm.
IT with IT people only. You are not
Mm.
comparing your IT people with HR people, right?
Yeah.
So we want to say them that my department should also be same, right? That my
Mm.
worker dot department, let me write worker dot department should be same. Because IT people will compare with IT. Similarly, HR people will also be compared with HR. So their department should be same too. Is this clear?
Okay. Yeah.
So it will be in where. Everything else is correct. Any issue now? So here you can see that account people average is compared with accounts. Similarly, admin people average is compared with admin people. HR people
Mm.
average is compared with HR people. Clear?
Yeah.
So your solution is almost correct. Some mistakes were there, which I think
Mm.
you are able to understand now, right?
Yeah. I'll
Great.
go over it.
Yeah. Now we will be moving towards an interesting question, which is second highest salary.
Okay.
Second highest salary. What is second highest salary? Let's say if we have some salaries, let's say 100, 200, 300, and 100. Which one is your second highest?
200. Yeah, 200.
200 is your second highest. I want to find out that. How will I do
Mm.
this? So what will I do is, first I will find out my maximum salary.
Maximum salary.
Yeah, why am I going to find out the maximum salary? Because
To know
maximum
the
salary,
highest
yeah, it
will
will
be
give me
200.
highest salary. I'll
Mm.
find maximum salary. Why am I finding out maximum salary? Will let you know later. You will get to know. So I got maximum salary, which is this one. Okay. And here it will
Mm.
be your this. This is your maximum salary, right?
Mm.
I'll save it in my CTE and will
Mm.
say that all my salaries, yeah, I'll name it as maximum here because alias is
Mm.
important. I'll say that I want to have everything for now from my table. I will name my table afterward. Yes, where my salary should be smaller than maximum salary. What
Yeah.
give me? Let me show you. Here it will be CTE and here it will be worker because I'm using
Workers.
this. What it will give you if I'll say that my salary should be smaller than my maximum salary. So,
So you give me the 200. You give me the number below after the 700.
so it will be 200 and 100, right?
Yeah.
200 and 100. Now everything starts from second highest only because we have already removed our first highest. Correct?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So can we say that I want to have maximum salary now? Because now your maximum salary will be 200 only, right?
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
it will give you second highest salary. Are you able to get that? Which is my this 600,000. Is this clear with you?
Yeah.
Are you able to get that?
Yeah.
Now you have to find out. Yeah. So is this clear? Any issue in second highest now?
No, I think I understand, but I have to go over it to get familiarized with it.
Yeah. So what we have to do now is I'm going to tell you about multiple CTs. We can use
Right.
multiple CTs also. Right now we have just created one CT, right?
Mm-hmm.
This only one CT we are creating, but we can create
Mm-hmm.
multiple CTs also. So how to create multiple CTs? Let me tell you the syntax first. So first we used to compare our CT as this, right? With
Mm-hmm.
CTS, then our syntax, correct?
Yeah.
If I want to create one more CT, what will I do? I'll write a comma. I will
Mm-hmm.
write my CT name, whatever CT name you want to give, as,
Mm-hmm.
and then your CT name. You will not write with
Okay.
us, okay? Similarly,
Okay.
comma, if you want to add one more CT, CT3 as, then your syntax, whatever it is. Like this, you are going to create multiple CTs. Is this clear with you?
Okay. Yeah.
Now let's do some question. Let me tell you one question, which is this one. Select star from your sales table. It's not here, it's in another database. So, no, not this one. Mm. What is my table name? Okay, let's take worker table only. Worker table in my one-on-one database. So this is my worker table. What I want to have here, you can see that we have different departments, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I want to have those department. Now I'm taking only department. I'm not taking any worker. I want to have those department where total is greater than their average. Is greater than their average. Is this clear with you?
Yeah.
I mean to have. Let's say that we have some people A, B, C, and D. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let me write their department here. So their department is HR, HR, IT, and IT. Okay. And let me write down their salary also. So I'm writing down some random salary 1, 3, 2, and 6. Okay. Now I want to have department whose salary is greater than their average. So what will be my HR total? What is my HR total? It will be 1 plus 3, right?
Four.
Similarly,
Yeah. Four.
what will be my IT total? It will be 6 plus 2,
6, 8.
which is 8, correct.
Mm.
Now their total should be greater than overall average. What is overall average? The overall average will be 8 plus 4 divided by the number of departments that we have. So we have 2 departments here. So it will be 2.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what it is? It is 6 now, right? 8 plus 2,
Yeah.
12 divided by 6.
Mm.
12 divided by 2, which is 6. So this
Mm.
is my average,
Mm.
department-wise average, right?
Yeah.
So whose department is greater than 6? IT department, correct? So
Yeah.
that's how
Yeah.
I
I
want.
think department.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You able to understand my question now?
Yeah. Yeah. I understand.
Okay. Now we are going to do the solution. I want to have those department where their total is greater than average. So first what we need to find out, we need to find out department wise total, right?
Yeah.
Department wise total. How we will do that? I'll say select. I'll write
You're
department.
right. Mm.
Total will be sum.
Sum of salary.
Yes. From my table worker.
Mm-hmm.
And I have to use group by also because I'm using a
Department.
non-degree. Yeah,
Yeah.
department. Correct. I'll save it in my CT now with CTS and will name it as total. Okay. So I got department wise total here. Here you can see that, right?
Mm.
I got department wise total. Now I will find out average with these total, right?
Mm.
Average. because then only I can compare my total with average, right?
Yeah.
So average of department, how will I do that? I'll say I want to have average of my
Mm,
total, which I was doing here, 8 plus
mm,
4 divided by 2, average of total from my table CTE.
mm.
This is
GG.
my CTE and I'm taking average now, right?
Mm,
I'll
mm,
save it in my CTE2 as. This is giving me average. Now the question is same only as what we did before. I say
mm,
I want everything from I'll write afterward where my
mm,
total is greater than average. From which
mm.
table am I taking total? I'm taking total from my
From department.
CTE table, right?
CTE, and the CTE, yeah.
Yeah, CTE. And from which table am I taking average? From my CTE2 table, right?
CTE two table, yeah.
Yes. And I'll write on here, on CTE2, array CTE2. So here you can see that the average is this and the total is greater than the average itself. Is this clear with you now?
Yeah.
Are you able to understand this?
Yeah, it's kind of tricky, but I think I will.
Yeah. So I know it's tricky. So I'm going to provide you one platform which you have to practice. Mm, 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 mm. So one platform is there which is Strata Scratch. Okay. You have to go to
Mm,
Strata Scratch, go to explore coding questions. You have to practice
mm.
this. Which one we are using? We are using Microsoft SQL Server. So you have to click over
Yeah.
there. Free questions. Difficulty level
Wait,
start with easy now. Okay. Start with
wait,
easy.
wait, 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 wait. Let me go there.
Yeah, sure.
Let me go there.
You can share the screen also if you want that help.
So I go to, so I say platform
Starters,
start.
this is your platform. Let me provide you link.
Okay,
This is the link.
okay, thank you.
Strata Scratch.
Okay, let me save it. Mhm. So then I go to, let me see, where is my zone?
You can share your screen. I can help you with that.
Okay, let me share my
Sure.
screen. That would be good for me to do.
Yes. Try to do at least 2, 3 questions on a daily basis and ask me your issues as well. Okay?
Yeah. So you see my screen?
Yes. Yes. I can see your
Is
screen.
here?
Yes.
See top questions?
Yeah. No. No. You not top question. Scroll down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everything is already formatted. I have provided you link with all formation only, na? Microsoft SQL
Mhm.
Server free question difficulty is easy only. See difficulty easy, right?
Where is difficulty easy?
Difficulty you can see difficulty written below your free questions. You can see all company, industry, topics, difficulty. Can you see that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So here it's easy right now. Click on
Okay,
easy.
easy.
Start with easy first. Easy questions are also good level. Click on your
So then
first.
I go
Yeah.
here.
Yes, on first question, click over there. First, you
Is
have
it
to register. Yes, you can't
is
see
it
your table.
calculate the difference? Calculate the difference. Calculate the difference between the highest salary in the market and engineering department output. Just the absolute difference in salary.
Yes, this is your question. How you can see your table? First, you have to log in. Can you log in with your mail ID?
So where do I go to log in?
On
Here?
yes, register or log in. You have to register because you are first time, right? Yeah.
Mhm.
With Google only you can register
Okay.
if this is not your company laptop. Yeah.
Right.
You are the first time, right? Register, correct.
So what's this one?
I don't know. What was written over there? Username. You can give any username.
So from this one, you can learn SQL.
Uh, Two password does not match. Yes, with this you can absolutely learn SQL.
Mhm.
I'm not giving you medium question because I haven't taught you about window function till now, right? We'll
Mhm.
cover window function in our next class. Then you will be able to do medium as well, but still it will take some time because medium question needs a lot of practice. That's why I told you to start with basics first. Okay? And basic questions
Okay.
are not basics. If you are able to do starter scratch, lead code will be easy for you. Very easy for you.
Okay.
You can do questions from anywhere after all these. Yes.
Hmm. All right, so I should go to my email to verify.
You can do that. Yes.
Okay.
Go. Yes. Can you scroll down? Yeah. Difficulty level easy. And free questions.
Wait, here?
Free questions. In top, it's written the free questions.
Topic?
Before that, before. Go above. You can see up. Yeah. Here. Yes. There. Yeah. There are.
So the table is employee and department, right?
Yeah. You can scroll down. Here you can see this is your table. Data type is also written. And if you will click on preview, you can see your table also. Okay.
Yeah. Mhm.
And similarly, you have a department table. These two are column department and ID.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm. So where can I write the syntax? Is here?
You can write down the syntax here. It's written now. Select star from DB employee. Can you see in your right side? A blank space is there. Right side.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
Here you will
Yeah, I
write down
see.
your syntax. Yes. Here you will write down your syntax. Remove
Then
this
you can
select
check the
star.
results.
Yeah, you remove this part. Here you will write down the syntax. You can run the code and you can check the solution also. And you can check
Okay.
other people's solution. If you will click on solution from users, can you see that? Solution from users. Above, more above. Yeah, here it is. You can see what other people are also writing.
Okay.
Yeah. First, you need to
Yeah,
try yourself. Yeah.
this is good. Thank you.
Yeah. You need to try at least two, three questions today. And I know
Mhm.
you will face issues. And we will be doing tomorrow also the same. I'll explain you three questions tomorrow if you're not able to do that. If you're able to do
Mhm.
that, then very good. Then we will move towards window function topic, and subquery and window functions are only two topics that are remaining. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
So we
Yeah,
will,
then we have store procedure.
yeah, I'll explain
And
you store procedure.
okay. So
Store
hmm,
store procedure is not the part of data analyst, but if you want to know, I will teach you.
okay, okay,
It's a very easy topic, not that difficult.
okay.
These topics that
Yeah.
are remaining, CT, subquery, window function are very crucial topic. So try
Mm.
to practice, try to like ask me as much questions as you can. Okay?
Okay. And do you have anybody for Tableau?
Tableau? No, I don't
Yeah.
provide Tableau.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you so much. You can try these
Okay.
3 questions and do let me know how much you are not able to get. Okay?